The icy thrill of Platinum Blonde never goes out of style. And when it's super healthy and shiny, this cool shade is a magnet that literally grabs everyone's attention. Hi, I'm Denis De Souza, celebrity hair colorist for Joico, and I'm here to show you how to give your clients stunningly elegant platinum hair using the next generation in cream liners. Joico's new Blonde Life Crème Lightener. What makes it so different? This cream lightener can lift 9 or more levels and is infused with nourishing ingredients that leave hair exceptionally healthy and super conditioned. My model Bri is starting with previously highlighted hair. We're going to be using 3 formulas today. Formula 1 is Blonde Life Crème Lightener with 10 volume Lumishine Developer. Formula 2 is Blonde Life Crème Lightener with 20 volume Lumishine Developer. Formula 3 is 1 1/4 ounce Lumishine Demi-Liquid 10 SP plus 3/4 ounce Lumishine Demi-Liquid Clear and 5 volume Lumishine Developer. Begin with the hair parted down the center, section into 4 parts. 2 in the front on either side of the part from the back of the ears forward and 2 in the back. Begin on the back side and take a slice at the nape of the neck. Apply Formula 1 starting at where the regrowth ends, about 1.5 inches away from the scalp. Bring Formula 1 down through the ends and continue working your way up using back-to-back slices until you complete the section. Joico Blonde Life Crème Lightener is perfect here because it quickly lifts 9+ levels without damaging the hair, something my celebrity clients absolutely require. The secret lies in monoi and tamanu oils that boost shine and protect every strand. I also love the way it lightens and evens out previously colored hair. Repeat this process on all of the remaining sections. Here's an important tip. Prevent the hair from overprocessing by periodically checking the foils. Then separate a small mohawk section on the top of the head in the center to create a 5th section. Once the last foil is placed, rinse out the first sections. Let the others process for 30 to 40 more minutes before you rinse them out. Once the hair is a pale yellow, you know it's time to rinse. Shampoo and condition using Joico Blonde Life Brightening Shampoo and Mask to get the best blonde results. Now it's time to lighten up the base with Formula 2. We're going to do a root touch-up technique all over the head. Make sure to apply it in thin 1/8 inch sections to get an even application. Joico Blonde Life Crème Lightener is great for the root area because it contains replenishing ingredients to help protect the scalp and prevent breakage. The creamy consistency also makes it easy to apply. Let this process for 30 minutes or until it's the same pale yellow color as the ends of the hair. Rinse thoroughly with Blonde Life shampoo. Gently towel dry the hair, then apply Formula 3 as a toner all over. Let it process for 10 minutes and shampoo and condition. Now you're ready to style. I love how this platinum blonde instantly adds glam style and grabs everyone's eye. It's a timeless look that's eternally and beautifully cool. For the latest tips, trends, and easy-to-follow tutorials, download the Joy Color System app and subscribe to the Joico YouTube channel. Stick around because the next video is coming right up and you don't want to miss it.